There are three persons age 60, 65 and 70 years old. The survival probabilities of these three persons for another 5 years are 0.7, 0.4 and 0.2 respectively. What is the probability that at least two of them would survive another 5 years? At least two of them would survive for another 5 years. Let us first draw a chart. There is one person, say A, who is 60 years of age, B, who is 65 years of age, and another person, C, who is 70 years of age. Now, what is the probability of their survival for next 5 years? Is 0.7. For him it is 0.4. For him it is 0.2. So what is the probability of non-survival? Will be 0.3, because total probability will be 1. For B it will be 0.6 and for C it will be 0.8. Is it all right? We'll be doing this and we'll be solving the problem. Now, what probability we need to find out? That at least two of them would survive. Now let us understand how this probability can be satisfied. All three A, B and C survives. A and B survives, C does not survive. A and C survives, B does not survive. B and C survives, A does not survive. Now if A and B both does not survive, then it is not a favorable outcome. Is it alright? Because we need a probability that at least two of them will survive. So these are exhaustive outcomes of two or more people will survive. So what will be the probability of all the three survival? All the three survival will be 0.7. A survives and B also survives 0.4 and C also survives 0.2. Or the situation will come into picture, or means plus the situation will come into picture. A will survive 0.7, B will survive 0.4 and C will not survive. C will not survive. C will not survive probability is 0.8. So let me do this bracket for the same. Or the situation is possible. A will survive. B will not survive. And C will survive is 0.2. Or the situation is possible. A will not survive. B will survive and C will survive. So these are exhaustive outcomes. Already we are knowing the probability. So what we can do is just add this answer, and this answer will be is equal to 0.388, and this will be our final answer of the probability that two or more would survive for another 5 years. Thank you, friends.